If you've spent any time in the dropshipping space, you've probably heard the same advice over and over again. Just use AliExpress. And honestly, if you're just getting started, that's not the worst thing you can do. AliExpress is still one of the easiest places to validate product ideas and get your first few sales. But here's the problem. When your store starts scaling, the things that didn't exactly matter in the beginning turn into huge problems later on. These are things like long shipping times, inconsistent quality, different suppliers for every product, and no real branding. Not to mention trying to scale a real business when you have no control over it. So today, I want to go over the 3 best AliExpress alternatives for 2026. We'll compare pricing, shipping speeds, product selection, branding options, warehouse locations, and everything else you should actually be looking at before choosing a supplier. Whether you're just starting your first store or you're ready to build a real brand, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which supplier makes the most sense for you. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. All right, so the first private supplier I have for you guys today is called Fulfillman. And if you guys have been watching my channel for some time now, you'll know I've been talking about Fulfillman for years, because they're actually one of the first private suppliers that I switched some of my own brands to. But basically, Fulfillman is a third-party logistics service, or a 3PL, meaning they're able to source any product you need them to, store them in their own warehouses, quality check every item before it leaves the door, and fulfill all of your orders for you automatically. And you guys can see how this entire process works right here. You're gonna upload your products to your store, start making sales, they'll source everything for you, purchase them, quality check them, store them in their own warehouses, and ship out everything as it comes into your store, keeping you updated throughout this entire process. Which leads me to my next point. Fulfillment actually assigns you your own dedicated account manager. This is somebody that's gonna keep you completely up to date with your business. They can answer any questions you have, source any products you need, and let you know anytime there's something you need to know, like product delays, pricing increases, or anything else. And this is like having an extra business partner to help you grow your business. That way you can focus on the marketing side of things and have all of your fulfillment managed for you. Now, one of my favorite things about working with Fulfillment is their custom branding options. So they can put your logo on your products, on your packaging. You can create custom boxes, poly mailers, bubble mailers, anything you need. You can even do flyers, gift cards, literally anything. And this is what helps you stand out from your competition and build a real brand. One that customers keep coming back to time and time again. Because if somebody gets a generic package from AliExpress with writing all over it, they're not gonna remember your brand. They might even be unsatisfied. But if a package arrives at their doorstep with your logo on it, custom flyers inside, and everything else, they're gonna remember your brand, it's gonna stand out to them, and they'll probably come back and buy from you again if they have a good experience the first time around. So here's some of the custom packages like I already talked about. They can also do custom stickers, gift cards, or anything else you need them to. So another thing I like about Fulfillment is their custom product photography. They can take custom photos of your products to use on your website, in your ads, on your social media pages, or wherever else you need them. So you guys can do hero shots like this one right here. They can do mannequin shots if you guys are selling fashion items. You can do photos with model, hand models, graphic design, 360 spin videos, white background shots, even lifestyle images. And if you guys scroll down to the bottom here, you guys can see some examples of all their previous work. Now, one of the best things about working with Fulfillment is how fast their shipping actually is. I'm able to get all of my products delivered within 3 to 7 days or less. From the moment a customer places an order on my store to the moment it arrives at their doorstep, this is typically 7 days or less. In fact, let me pull up some of my recent tracking numbers to show you how fast this actually is. So these are all recent tracking numbers from one of my own stores. As you guys can see right here, from China to the UK, we have 4-day shipping. From China to the US, we have 4-day shipping. 4-day shipping, 4-day shipping, 4 days again. So I'm getting 4-day delivery on all of my products for this store specifically. Show me any other supplier out there that can get your products delivered in 4 days or less. So you can go ahead and create your account, link it right up to your store, and they'll go ahead and fulfill all of your orders automatically as they come in. So you guys can see how sourcing works right here. You go ahead and fill out your quote. They'll go ahead and get you a quote from 3 different suppliers. Once you choose the one you want to go with, they'll go ahead and place an order, store everything in their own warehouses, and then quality check every item before it leaves the door. So I'll go ahead and leave a link for you guys down below in case you're interested. That's going to take you to their homepage right here, where you guys can just select get a free quote. From there, all you have to do is fill in a little information about yourself, your brand, and the products you sell, and they'll get back to you with an accurate quote right away. This is the option I've been using on several of my own stores and a lot of my student stores as well, and we've had great results from them. So once again, the link's down below. All right, our next best supplier is called Teemdrop. Teemdrop's actually a fairly new supplier. They just launched a little over a year ago, but once again, this is another supplier that I've been using for several of my own brands. So let me explain what I like about Teemdrop. To start, linking everything to your store is a super simple process. Whether you sell on Shopify, eBay, WooCommerce, Etsy, TikTok Shop, or any other platform, you guys can link it up to your store and get launched in 60 seconds or less. I'll show you guys exactly how to link your store in just a moment. Now, the thing that stands out with Teemdrop is their global delivery options, but not just that, their 8-day guarantee. With Teemdrop, they'll ship your products to any country in the world, and they always ensure that they arrive within 8 days or less. So if your product takes over 8 days to arrive, they'll go ahead and refund everything. No questions asked. And as you guys can see right here, over 90% of their orders ship out within 24 hours, and they all come with accurate tracking, so your customers never have to reach out to you to figure out where their orders are at or anything else like that. They make this process as smooth as possible. Customer places an order on your store, Teemdrop fulfills it automatically, and it arrives within 8 days or less. Typically much less than that. So when you depend on AliExpress suppliers and have 30-day shipping times, you're gonna have countless customers reaching out to you asking where their product's at or asking for refunds or just submitting chargebacks. But Teemdrop completely solves that problem. By the time a customer would reach out to you asking where their order's at, it typically arrives at their doorstep by then. And this doesn't just apply to dropshipping products. Teemdrop is actually one of the best print-on-demand suppliers out there as well. So whatever type of print-on-demand products you sell, t-shirts, hoodies, hats, home decor, necklaces, literally anything, they'll be able to source and fulfill for you. And they can do everything from apparel to accessories and home decor like I already mentioned. And the best part is there's no MOQ. They go ahead and fulfill your orders automatically just one at a time. And they have a ton of custom packaging and branding options as well. So you can put your logo on these tags, on the shipping bags, thank you cards, or anything else. That way you can build a custom brand that stands out from your competition. Now, I'd say the best thing about working with Teemdrop is there's no hidden costs whatsoever. Their platform is entirely free to use. There's no storage fees, fulfillment fees, or anything like that. So unlike other suppliers out there like Zendrop or AutoDS that charge you monthly just to use their platform, Teemdrop's entirely free to use. You only have to pay for your orders as they come in. So in case you're interested, I'll leave a link for them down below as well. You guys can click that link, create your free account, and go ahead and get started with Teemdrop. But let's jump inside the actual platform now. So this is the page it's gonna take you to when you first log in. You guys can see the catalog offered directly from Teemdrop suppliers. You can also access catalogs from 1688 or Taobao as well. But from everything I've seen personally, Teemdrop suppliers are gonna have every major dropshipping product you'll ever wanna sell because they have access to thousands of different stores and they can see sales data in real time. So they know which products are working and which ones aren't worth focusing on. So they're gonna have all the top dropshipping products at any given time. And if you don't see a product on here, you can actually reach out to your agent and have them source it for you. Which leads me into my next point. Just like the last supplier, Teemdrop actually assigns you your own dedicated account agent. Once again, this is somebody that keeps you completely up to date with your business. They'll reach out to you every single day on WhatsApp or Telegram, let you know when there's order delays, pricing increases, or anything else you need to know. And you can reach out to them at any time of day and have them source any product you need them to. So if it's not on there already, reach out to your agent and you can have it live on your store within just a couple of hours. But for example, let's say you guys wanted to sell these cooling fans right here. You guys can see you can get it for just $1.85 on Teemdrop. Shipping is $6.57, so it's around $8.42 total. But the point is, you can go ahead and list this to your store in just one click like that. Select your Shopify store, fill in all of the information like your title, your tags, the collections, set your pricing, select what images you want uploaded, fill out your description, and have it uploaded to your Shopify store in just a couple of clicks. And this goes for any product you want to sell. So to link your store, you'll want to click on Store Management down here, Authorize Store. You'll see your list of Shopify stores that are currently paired to Teemdrop. You guys want to click Add Store right here. Select which platform you're selling on, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, TikTok Shop, or any of these other ones. Then click Authorize, click Allow, and everything's linked up and good to go. All of your orders will automatically sync up with Teemdrop as they come in, and they'll fulfill everything automatically for you. So you don't ever have to deal with this process yourself. Your agent's gonna take care of everything. So when you guys start making orders, you'll click on the Orders tab, Purchase Order right here, and you're gonna see all of your orders as they start to come in. So these are all of the orders that came in since I last fulfilled them yesterday. So if you guys wanna go ahead and fulfill these yourself, you'll click on this little checkbox right here to select all of them, click Pay. Pay for your orders, and that's all you have to do. Teemdrop's gonna handle everything from there. So I could pay the $700 fee, take care of all 100 orders right here, and then I'm good to go for the day. That's literally all you have to do. So in case you guys are interested in working with Teemdrop, I'll leave a link for that down below. But let's move on to our next best supplier. All right, the third and final supplier I have for you guys today is called Hypersku, and they've been in the dropshipping business for quite some time now. They're actually one of the first private suppliers I ever switched to. But just like the other two suppliers we went over, they'll link directly up to your Shopify store or whichever platform you sell on. You guys can see all the different integrations they offer right here. And all of your orders will sync up automatically in their platform. They'll go through and fulfill everything for you. And just like the other two suppliers, they also assign you your own dedicated account agent. And this service is entirely free. So they'll reach out to you every single day on Telegram or WhatsApp, whichever platform you prefer. They'll handle all of your sourcing requests, answer all of your questions, and let you know anytime there's something you need to know. And one of the great things about working with Hypersku is how big their catalog actually is. With Hypersku, you have access to millions of different products from over 2,000 vetted suppliers. And they're actually able to recommend products to you depending on what you sell already. So that's an added bonus. Now, Hypersku is also very big on print on demand and custom branding. They can process up to 200,000 orders each and every day. And if you're watching this video looking for the best private suppliers, you're probably not getting 200K orders a day. I'm definitely far from that myself. But they can create any custom products you need to. You got mugs, t-shirts, phone cases, you even have things like shoes, handbags, headphones, hoodies. You can custom design literally any product on their catalog. And one thing that they guarantee is 5 to 12 day delivery on any product you sell. So once again, you can ensure you're getting fast shipping. They're not exactly as fast as the other two suppliers I went over, but 5 to 12 day delivery, you really can't complain. Especially when you're selling custom branded and print on demand products that take a while to make. Now the thing with Hypersku is they have both a free plan and a premium plan. Although the free plan has literally everything you'll ever need to get started. So you're gonna get unlimited imports, unlimited processing. You can connect up to 10 stores, and you can store your products for free for up to 30 days in their warehouses. Not to mention all these added bonuses down here. Now, one thing you do need to know is that they actually do have a MOQ for some of their products, unlike the other suppliers we talked about. So with print on demand, you can sell your products one at a time. The MOQ is only one piece, but if you want private labeled products or even custom products, you need to sell at least 100 or 200 of those at a time. But that's when you start running into a ton of issues because it actually takes time to make all of these. And as you guys can see right here, your shipping goes from 3 to 5 days to 10 to 20 to 15 to 40. And that's pushing it. That defeats the purpose of using a private supplier entirely. Because why would you wait over 40 days for your products to arrive when you can just use AliExpress anyways? But you guys can see some examples of all the different things you can make down here. So you can make custom products like these hats, stickers, branded boxes, t-shirts, tote bags. You can do private label products like drinkware, eye mask, custom towels, apparel, beauty supplies, custom packaging. You can do print on demand products like your typical jewelry, puzzles like you see people do, different shaped pillows, hoodies, towels. So Hypersku can actually do a lot, and they're a really good supplier to work with. They're definitely worth checking out. I'm not currently using Hypersku for any of the stores I'm running right now, but I have for quite a few stores that I ran in the past, and I've never had any issues. So I highly recommend them. But those are by far the 3 best AliExpress alternatives for 2026. At the end of the day, there isn't one supplier that's perfect for everyone. It really comes down to where you are right now. If you're testing products and validating ideas, your priorities will look very different from somebody who's getting consistent sales every day and wants to build a real brand. But the biggest mistake I see people make is waiting way too long to upgrade their supplier. They'll spend hours tweaking their website or designing their ads, but they'll still go back to the same supplier that's slowing everything else down. Hopefully this comparison helped you understand the pros and cons of each supplier so you can make the best decision for your business. And if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below which supplier you're currently using and if I left any out of this list. And don't forget to check out all the helpful resources I have for you down below, like my free course to help you get started. And that's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.